Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In today's video we'll be cooking Cameroonian ndole. Ndole is bitter leaf that is chopped and is washed like you can see here. I'm already washing my bitter leaf, in other words called ndole in Cameroon. Now I'm washing my meat. You can use any protein of any choice. I'm putting in my salt and my seasoning. Now I have to cook the meat until it's done. Okay, so the meat is about to be done. It's not yet ready, and that is why I'm adding some hot water. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead and wash my peeled peanuts in order to boil it. So it's washed and it's on the fire, and I'll cook it for about 10 minutes, okay, and take it out. While the peanut and the meat is cooking, I'll prepare my spices. We have garlic, ginger, and spring onions, okay. And I already have my washed ndole. As you can see, that's it. Green is the washed ndole or bitter leaf. So right now, I'm just prepping in my spices, and now I'm about to blend them. But before I blend it, let me check my peanut. I'm just doing multitasking, guys. I'm just checking my peanut to make sure that it doesn't burn. So it's okay, but it's not yet ready. So I'm going in with my garlic, ginger, and spring onion into the blender. I'm just prepping them, chopping them bit by bit so that I'll be able to blend them easily. Next, my together with the garlic, ginger, and spring onion, I have blended it and I put it in the pot. Okay, so I'm sorry I didn't show you. The meat was already ready, and I took the meat out in order to avoid it to be too much done. On the other fire side, I'm trying to I reheated my olive oil, and the oil was warm, so I went in with my onion, sliced onion. So in ndole, we put a lot of onion in our ndole. Okay, so that's it, guys. Continue to wash. So in the ndole blended peanut, I added my seasoning and my salt. I'm just adjusting them, okay. I'm just adjusting them and maintaining to make sure that it doesn't get burnt. I will continue to stir that to prevent it from burning, okay? Because when you do that, it easily burns in the food. So my peanut is ready for the soup. I'm going to plate and bring it to the table. Once I'm ready to serve, I will add some peanut out. I'm just ready to the you see me now putting it in my thick blended peanut. Yeah, it's really blended. continue to watch, guys, and see what is going on. Okay, just making sure that my onion is well cooked in the oil, well tender. Thank you for always liking my videos. Thank you for always subscribing, guys.